All right, we're going to power down the lighting system. So one thing that you want to do is select all your moving fixtures. So that's going to be the MH fixtures. And so one quick shortcut that you can do is just click the M key and you're going to see that it highlights all of the moving head fixtures. From there, right click on one, scroll down to lamp and click off. And what that's going to do is it's going to discharge the lamps on the moving head fixtures and give them time to cool down because they are essentially a small computer that needs time to cool off. So once that takes place, then we can begin to shut everything else down. Simply go up to the top and click light key and quit light key, or you see that the shortcut there is Command Q and you say quit. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and send kill signals to all the DMX fixtures so that they all shut down. Once you've powered down everything, go ahead and disconnect your DMX cable. You just push the tab there, pull your cable out. It might be a little snug. Pull it out, place it back on the desk away so no one can mess with it. All right, once we're disconnected from the lights, the next thing we got to do is power everything down. So starting with all the fixtures, all the breakers that have an L next to them, go ahead and click them off. Again, making sure to only click the lighting ones off, nothing else. And that's it.